Hi guys, a very good afternoon and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. We continue to take a look at what's happening in the nation of Zimbabwe. My MPs, Angari Kuprike, Nancy Kwese, and Sengezo Tshabangu has said something which is very, very important for the people of Zimbabwe. Let us take a look.
I'm so proud to represent the opposition. His Excellency in the morning, he said the role of opposition is to criticize constructively the ruling party so that the ruling party can stay in power, so that the opposition can remain in opposition. But Your Excellency, we are here as a family to protect the status quo because we are Zimbabweans. We are here, Your Excellency, if we improve your stay in power and the people of Zimbabwe are happy, let it be.
So imagine Sengezo Tshabangu telling us, Kutanzi, if the people of Zimbabwe are happy, let it be. Imagine him opening his mouth wide to say that the opposition is there to keep the ruling party in power. Imagine. Nemasakarira akaita Zimbabwe, nemaorero akaita Zimbabwe, zvinasufamba zvakanaka. A man comes and then declares another man-life president. Imagine the arrogance. Imagine, guys. Unoza vana veZimbabwe takaiswa panguva yakaoma nevanhu ava. And you hear some people blaming Nelson Chamisa. You hear some people throwing insults at President Nelson Chamisa for standing by principles. Tshabangu is actually mocking the people of Zimbabwe who are suffering in this nation. He's actually mocking them. How do you say you are there to keep the opposition, the ruling party in power, and you keep yourselves in the opposition? How do you say that? So we have a lot to do as a people. We have a lot to actually do as a people, because these people have taken us for granted for far too long. It's time for us to confront the regime head on, and it's time for us to make sure that we stop ZANU-PF. This is no longer a funny. It's not a joke. Sengezo was being truthful. Ndo saka vakamuhaya kuti varambe vachibatsiridza ZANU-PF kunge iri mupower. Now vaenda kuprecab vachishandisa mari dzehurumende. Maenda kunoitei? What are you going to achieve? You go there and you stand up, or you rise pretending to be representing the opposition, and you say that your role is to keep the government, the present government, with the present corrupt government in power. Who does that? So each and every Zimbabwean must understand that this is beyond politics. We now need to agree as a people to say we need to stop this thing called ZANU-PF. It's high time we stop with this thing, this animal called ZANU-PF. Yes. So it is what it is in Zimbabwe. I do not know your views, your thoughts about what Sengezo Tshabangu said, but in my own view, I believe and I think that it's high time we stop the madness.